Hey everybody, it's Katarina once again from Dolled Up Desserts, and today I am so excited because we have a really special guest. This is my older sister, Maya. So Maya's visiting me from Quebec, and when she came down to visit me, she's like, well, we gotta bake something. And so of course, I was like, absolutely, we have to. So Maya, what are we making today?
So I asked you for a treat with caramel on it. So today we are making apple caramel blondies.
Oh man, those are gonna be so good. Perfect treat for any back to school treats, as well as just a nice festive fall treat to have at home. Anyways, without further ado, let's get baking.
Let's do it.
Yes. So first things first, we're going to chop up our apple. What you're gonna do after you've washed and peeled it is you're gonna chop the apple into quarters and then cut out the core. Once you cut the core, you can now dice your quarters into as many small pieces as you want. And then once you've diced your apple, you're gonna throw it into a bowl and cover it with cinnamon. Mix in as much cinnamon as you want. As well, if you feel like it, throw in some allspice or ginger or any other spices that you have. Once you've seasoned your apples, you can set them to the side for now, and we're going to put together our blondies. So the first thing we're gonna do with the blondies, of course, as usual, is make flax egg. Take your flax pack out of the baking mix, pour it into the water, whisk it together, and set it to the side.
To your mixing bowl, add some coconut oil, some maple syrup, mix it up, and then add in your flaxseed and your apple. Once you've stirred all that together, pour in your baking mix. Once everything is combined all together, you can pour it in the pan.
Using your spatula, spread out your blondies nice and evenly, and then put them in the oven at 350 degrees for approximately 25 minutes. Now that the blondies are baked, it's time to make the best part, the caramel.
Woo!
Turn your stovetop on to a high heat, place on a small saucepan or a frying pan, and pour in your coconut condensed milk. That's really it. Leave it to boil for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's done when the caramel is thick, a darker brown, and the bubbles are kind of popping a little bit slower than they were at the beginning. Once your caramel seems nice and thick, you're gonna take it off the element and move quickly. Pour it on top of your blondies to let it harden and solidify. If you feel like it, add a little bit of sea salt to the caramel. It'll give it a nice touch. Now, if they're fully cold, it'll be very easy to eat it. What do you think? So good?
Oh my God. I want more.
Go for it. Oh, this caramel is thick. Did you get any apple in it? Yeah, the apple's really nice.
It's so good.
Yeah, the juiciness with the apple, mixed with the caramel, a little bit of salt.
Wow. Okay, wow.
10 out of 10. See, the reactions are not fake.
Wow.
Real testimonial right here. And so you saw it yourself. Maya has successfully baked our caramel apple blondies. She did a really great job. They're so delicious, even though they are really hard to eat right now. Just let them cool completely, ideally in the fridge or freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, and then that way they'll be really easy to cut and also get out of your pan if you greased it like we did. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with everything Dolled Up Desserts, you know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all the wonderful videos we have on our channel. And if you do make caramel apple blondies and you want to show the world all the wonderful treats you make, I'm sure Maya will be making these later at home.
Yes, I will.
Please share them on Instagram or Facebook and tag us at Dolled Up Desserts Baking so we can share them with everyone on our social media as well. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.